Good morning, children. I am K. Sir, working as mathematics teacher in Dr. Basin School. In previous class, I have explained the topic factors and multiples. Today also, we have to continue the same topic factors and multiples. So, topic name factors and multiples. See page number 144. Question time. Write whether the following are true or false. Okay, 1, 2, 8 and 16 are the only factors of 16. See, 1, 2, 8, 16 are the only factors. Only factors means it is false. Okay. 1 is a factor of all numbers. 1 is a factor of all numbers. It is true. Okay. Next. See, observe here. I will show everything. First of all, factors of 2. Factors of 2. So, factors of 2. We know that 1 no, 2. 1 2s are 2 no. So, 1 is a factor of 2. 2 is a factor of 2. Okay. For any number, 1 and itself are the factors of that any number. So, factors of 6. Factors of 6. Factors of 4. 1 4s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 1s are 4. Okay. Next, factors of 6. Sin. How to find 6? 1 6 are 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 1s are 6. So 1 2 3 6. Always 1 and itself compulsory. Remaining we have to search. So 1 2 3 6. Next, factors of 3. Factors of 3. So 1 and itself. Next, factors of 12. Factors of 12. 1 12 is 12 1 see 1 12 is 12. 2 6 12. 2 and 6. 3 4 is 12. Like this simple method. 1 12 is 12. 1 12. 2 6 is 12. 2 6. 3 4 is 12. 3 4. So simply we can write like this. Okay. Next, factors of 15. Factors of 15. 1 15 is 15. 3 5 is 15. 1 no 3 5 15. Anything else? No. Next, factors of 7. Factors of 7. 1 itself. 1 7 is 7. 1 and itself. Why? Because 7 is a prime number. For any prime number, 2 factors. 1 and itself. See, 2 is a prime number. 1 and itself. 3 is a prime number. 1 and itself. 7 is a prime number. 1 and itself. Okay. So this is the basic method to find out the factors. Children, observe this one. Next, I'll let you open your companion book, page number 45. Fill the numbers in the empty space to form 3-digit numbers. Divisible by 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 9. Okay, easily we can do it. Divisibility rule by 3. Add the 3-digit numbers. Okay, if the result is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Okay, next place a tick mark. The numbers is divisible by 3, 4 or 9. One has done for you. Okay, number divisible by 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 9. Same. 6, 12. First of all, divisible by 3. Just what we have to do? 6 plus 1 plus 2. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. The remainder is 0. That's why divisible by 3. Yes, it is divisible. Next, divisibility rule. So 6, 12 means the number formed by the last 2 digits, the digits in 1st place and 10th place, that is what? 12. 12 is divisible by 4. 4 3s are 12. The remainder is 0. Yes, it is divisible by 4. Tick mark. Divisible by 9. Divisible by 9 means 6, 12. So 6 plus 1 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is divisible by 9. 9 1s are 9. The remainder is 0. Yes, it is divisible by 9. This is one example. Okay, children. Next, children, note down this one. Next, second example, 108. 108 means 1 plus 0 plus 8, 9. 3 3s are 9. Yes, divisible. 108, 08. So 4 2s are 8. Yes, divisible. 1 plus 0 plus 8, 9. 9 1s are 9. Yes, divisible. Okay. Next, 4716. 4716 divisible by 3. That means 4 plus 7 plus 1 plus 6. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. So 18 3 6 are 18, the remainder is 0. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Next, divisible by 4. So 4716, the number formed by the last two digits, that is equal to 16. 16 is divisible by 4. 4 4 is 16, the remainder is 0. Yes, it is divisible. Next, 4 plus 7 plus 1 plus 6, 18. So 18, so it is divisible by 9. 9 2s are 18, the remainder is 0. Yes, it is divisible by 9. Yes, understood or not? So this is the way we have to do this. Next, 75,396. Okay. So same divisibility rule, the same process you have to do this. 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6. 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 15, 30. 3 10s are 30 and the remainder is 0. Yes, it is divisible. Next, so 75,396, 96. Sorry, 4. 424s are 96, that is equal to 0. Yes, it is divisible. Okay, what about so the result is what? 30. So 30, okay, the result sum of the digits, that is equal to 30, no? So 30 is divisible by 3, yes, but 30 is not divisible by, exactly not divisible by 9. Why? Because we did not get the remainder 0, that's why it is not divisible. Okay, this is the way we have to do this. Okay, next open the page number 46. Find the HCF of the given pairs. HCF. Companion, page number 46. Page number 46, companion. So 25 and 40. So what is the HCF? So first HCF of 25 and 40. Okay. Just observe this question, how to solve once you think. So 25, what about the factors of 25? Factors of 25, factors of 40. Then 125s are 25, 5 5s are 25, nothing else. Next, 140s are 220s are. Next, anything else? No. 4 10s are. Next, so what about the 5 8s are? So these are the factors of 40. So what about the common factors? Common factors. 1, 5. Anything else? No. So what is the highest common factor? 5 is the highest common factor. So HCF of 25 and 40, that is equal to 5. So this is the way we have to find. Next, all HCF problems like this only. In studio book I have explained you more. Identify 5 pairs of coprimes. 5 pairs of coprimes. I explained already concept of coprimes. Easily you can do it. Okay. Next, one more question I will explain. HCF of (36) and 48. Same. HCF of 36 and 48. So factors of 36. 136 ja, 218 ja, 312 ja, 49 ja. Next, factors of 48. 148 ja, 224 ja, 316 ja, 412 ja. Anything else? 68 ja. Okay. So common factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. That's all. So what is the highest common factor? Highest common factor, that is equal to 12. Okay. So this is the way we have to find out. Children, note down. Next, one more question. 81 and 96. Same. So factors of 81. 181 ja, 99 ja. Okay. 327 ja, 99 ja. Okay. It is not divisible by 4, not divisible by 5, not divisible by 6, not divisible by 7, not divisible by 8. Divisible by 9, 9 ja. So 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. So factors of 96, 196 248 next 3 32 next 4 next 6 16 okay, next 7 8 12 all these are practice only. 248 3 32 3 32 next 4 424 okay, next 616 8 12 so therefore common factors 1 3 that's enough. So what is the highest common factor? 3. So highest common factor is equal to 3. So this is the way we have to find out. Okay children, I hope it's very clear. This is my today's class. So factors and multiples chapter also we have completed. Children, watch the video very concentrately. Observe the PDF file. Then only you write the studio work and companion. Okay. Next, what I have explained in today's class, that problems sincerely you have to do practice also. So what is homework? Homework. Companion book. Okay, first studio companion, page number studio page number 140 142 143 142 143 companion page number 45 46 47 okay. What I have explained, the problems in these pages, that problems you have to do practice in your practice book or rough book. Okay, thank you for listening. Thank you everybody. Okay children.